Overall, it's a nice start to our Tuesday morning. We're seeing mainly sun-filled skies out there. However, some locations are seeing lower visibility, so just be mindful of that as you're heading out for that Tuesday morning commute. But temperatures out there, not quite as cool as yesterday morning. We're starting off right now 71 in D.C., but across much of the Commonwealth, starting off low 60s, 61 in Manassas, 64 in Fredericksburg. Up towards Leesburg, it's a little bit warmer, right around 70. Right along the I-81 corridor, low to mid 60s. Hagerstown, you're waking up at 65 degrees. Those dew points, haven't checked in on these in a little while, but we're starting to notice that it's starting to feel a little bit more muggy out there with dew points into the mid 60s. Visibility, as I had mentioned, is reduced for some. We're down to about 1 to 3 miles of visibility right along I-81 and back over towards western Maryland as well as parts of West Virginia. We're down to less than a mile of visibility. So especially in those locations, definitely want to make sure that you're taking it slow as you're heading out the door. High pressure is back off towards our north and west. That'll keep us quiet through the day today. We did have this cold front swing through yesterday, and that's the reason why we did see a few of those light sprinkles yesterday afternoon. But today we'll be seeing dry conditions under the mainly sun-filled sky, and temperatures back low to mid 80s for those high temperatures. 85 though in D.C. and Fredericksburg, likely lower 80s as we head farther off towards the north and west. Highs tomorrow a little bit hotter than the day today, and it's fitting because tomorrow is the last full day of summer. The fall equinox is on Thursday. Fall officially begins at 9:04 p.m. Thursday night. And high temperatures tomorrow will be back mid to upper 80s. And we'll also start to notice a bit more of that humidity creeping in as well. Futurecast timing out the rest of the next 48 hours. We'll see temperatures right around 80 by noon today. Still mainly sun-filled. Those winds will be out of the north and west for much of the day today. Looking ahead towards tomorrow, though, those winds do shift by the afternoon hours, mainly back out of the south-southwest. And that'll be ushering in a bit of the warm-up, but also a bit more of that humidity. We'll start off with mainly sun-filled skies as we look ahead towards your Wednesday afternoon. Cloud cover starts to move in ahead of sunset later on tomorrow evening. Cold front then follows that, and we'll likely see with that cold front a chance for a few of those isolated thunderstorms as we look ahead towards late Wednesday night and into early Thursday morning. By about 7 a.m. though, Thursday morning, there's a few isolated sprinkles here and there, and still a chance for some isolated showers. We look ahead towards your Thursday afternoon as well. We're not tracking a washout, but still potential is there for a few of those showers. We're checking in on Hurricane Fiona, which is now a major hurricane. It's a Category 3 storm at this hour, boasting winds of 115 miles per hour. Moving across the Turks and Caicos Islands right now. That will continue to move its way off towards the north, and by Thursday, early Thursday morning, we're looking at a Category 4 storm as it continues to climb closer towards Bermuda, and then we'll weaken as we get towards late Friday and into the weekend. We're looking at a Category 2 storm by that point, as Fiona still remains well out to sea and well away from the eastern seaboard. But today we'll see those high temperatures in the D.C. metro area, low to mid 80s out there. Quite a nice day for any of those outdoor plans that you may have. Here's a view of the rest of that 7-day forecast. A little bit warmer tomorrow. We're right around 80 on Thursday for the first day of fall, or at least fall officially begins at 9:04 p.m. on Thursday. The first full day of fall, that's Friday, will feel like it. High temperatures upper 60s. Right now